Hey guys, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you my fresh face makeup tutorial for beginners. This is going to be a super chill and relaxed tutorial, so I hope you like it. For my brows, I'll be using the Benefit Foolproof Brow Powder to fill in any spots, and then I'll take my MAC Shape and Shade Brow Tint to create those hair-like strokes to create the illusion of fluffy brows. Taking my fresh Lotus Youth Preserve Eye Cream, I'm going to apply a bit of this over my already moisturized skin, but specifically targeting the under eye area to give it some hydration. Then taking the Guerlain L'Essential Foundation, I'm going to apply this with my Marc Jacobs The Face 3 brush, which guys, I am so obsessed with. It just puts on the thinnest layer all over the face and blends it in so well. This foundation is skincare focused, and once it's on, it looks like my natural skin. It's also perfect if you love that no makeup look. Taking the Urban Decay Naked Reloaded palette, I'm going to use the transition color Retro to create a bit of a crease on the lid. Then I'm going to blend that in, and then taking the color Endgame, I'm going to smoke out the outer corners just a bit to create some depth. For liner, I'll be applying the Revlon Colorstay Sharp Line to create a wing. I always like to hold the liner flat against my upper lash line to create the line in parts and then wing it out. I'm going to quickly curl the lashes and then apply a thin coat of the Covergirl's Exhibitionist Waterproof Mascara. For highlight, I'll be using the Makeup Forever Ultra HD Soft Light. I'll be focusing this on the bridge of the nose, T-zone, Cupid's bow, below the bottom lip, and just a bit to highlight the tops of the cheekbones. To contour, I'll be using the NYX Highlighting Brush with my BH Cosmetics bronzer. I find this works so well to create that sharp contour line. Then I'll take a blush brush to soften the line just a bit for a natural look. Next up is blush, and I just love how blush makes you look more awake. I'll be using the BH Cosmetics Blushing in Bali color in Light Chi, and I'll be applying this on the apples of the cheeks. It's easy to go overboard with the blush, so just pause and look before applying more. And lastly, for the lips, I'll be using the L'Oreal Paris Rouge Signature Lipstick in the color I Rule. This is one of the best long-lasting bare lip sensation lipsticks I've ever tried. It doesn't peel and has the most amazing feeling on the lips. It also dries matte and lasts honestly all day long. I just love this one and can't get enough of it. I hope you guys enjoyed this rather calm and chilled makeup tutorial. I read so many of your comments and it inspired me to create some videos that are a little out of my comfort zone. So thank you all so much, but most importantly, I hope you guys enjoyed it. Love you all and see you all very soon in my next one. Bye for now.